How to make Facebook private on your Android device. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Facebook app, and if you have got multiple accounts, make sure to log into the account which you want to make private. So here you need to get informed that making your Facebook private means locking your Facebook profile so that the other person won't be able to see your profile. So for that, first of all, you have to go for the 3-bar horizontal line in the right upper corner, and you have to tap on the settings option which is right next to the search bar in the right upper corner. And after that, you have to scroll down below a little bit until you see the profile locking options. You have to go through it, and here you have to go for the lock your profile option in the button. And after a few seconds of loading, you can see your profile has been locked. So by following this simple step, you can make Facebook private on Android device. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.